Everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and today we are looking at the upgraded Broom Dustpan set. This Broom and Dustpan are going to stand upright, got good construction. In the box, you are going to get just one sheet of paper that shows you how to put everything together. Super easy to put together, less than 5 minutes. This dustpan has teeth that's going to be able to clean the broom. What I like about it is that it's upright, so we can have the dustpan stand straight up. And then we have some food on the ground, right? It's got good bristles. It's got a nice ramp, so it's easy to get the food up and into the bin here, right? And if we needed to clean off our brush head, we go like this, right? You know, sometimes you get hair and stuff like that stuck onto the brush. So this unit gives you teeth. It's got this nice, pretty gray and orange design. So if you're in the market because spring cleaning, heck, fall cleaning, winter cleaning, summer cleaning, and you need a good dustpan for the house, good broom and dustpan for the house, definitely check out this unit.